This poster clearly shows the importance of renewable energy through its simple and meaningful design. The green color theme represents nature, growth, and a clean environment. The soft clouds create a peaceful mood, while the wind turbines symbolize clean and modern energy sources. The faint image of the earth in the background reminds us that renewable energy helps protect our planet. The title, The Power of Renewable Energy, is the bold and eye-catching, and the subtitle, Clean Energy for a Sustainable Future, explains that the goal of using renewable energy. The poster combines visual, text, and typographic elements to deliver a clear and inspiring message about creating a sustainable future. This reminds us that even small actions can help build a cleaner and greener world.